Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find the post link for replies and responses you receive from the artificial intelligence on Meta AI. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Meta AI in the first step, and what you want to do guys is navigate to one of your past chats or conversations. So let me go with this one here, for instance. And what you want to do guys is click into these three dots in the top right corner and select this option here. That is going to give you the opportunity to make your conversations you have had with the artificial intelligence and any replies and responses you have received go public, or make them publicly available. And you may do that through a link by clicking into create link here. So let me do that really quickly. And if you do that guys, you will be given a link and it will be copied to your clipboard so that you may use that, for example, to make it visible to anyone with the given links, for example, via direct messaging services or social media posts and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.